I am checking gas pressure with my Fieldpiece probes, and they do like to walk, or the pressure will drift a good bit. So what I discovered when I was at Walmart was these little valves. They're for a sprinkler system, like a drip irrigation, and what it allows me to do is isolate the gas pressure from the probe, disconnect the probe so I can zero it, and then open the valve back up again in order to make sure that I'm not taking a false pressure reading because the manometer has drifted. The more you know.